The Art of Craving, Understanding the Desire. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into a word that resonates with many of us on different levels: craving. Have you ever felt an intense desire for something? Whether it's food, an activity, or even a feeling, that's what we call a craving. Stick around to learn more. A craving is an intense and urgent desire or longing for something. It can be a physical or emotional feeling, and it often feels like a strong need. For example, if you haven't eaten all day, you might crave a big meal. Or, if you've been away from home for a long time, you might crave the comfort of your own bed. To understand it better, let's look at some common examples. 1. Food. This is probably the most common one. After seeing a commercial for a chocolate bar, you might suddenly have a strong desire to eat one. 2. Activities. Ever had the urge to go for a run, even if it's raining? That's a craving for physical activity. 3. Emotions. Sometimes, especially on tough days, you might crave a hug or words of encouragement from a loved one. Now, let's practice how to use the word in everyday sentences. 1. I have a craving for some spicy noodles right now. 2. She craved his attention after being ignored all day. 3. During the lockdown, many people craved social interaction. Understanding synonyms can give a broader perspective. Here are some synonyms for craving: yearning, desire, longing, hankering, hunger. So, there you have it. Now, you not only know what craving means, but you also know how to use it in sentences and what words are related to it. Remember, we all have cravings from time to time. It's a very natural human feeling. Hope this video has been enlightening. Stay curious and happy learning.